You know you moto we so na me cover dem TVJ. Abale me na me nya na. Yes. Keke last week about a year, you need to come discuss him about the main reason why voter entertainment industry, about voter music as well, may discuss a lot about it. And the first one may discuss between Atiso, play Ale Atiso, Vroki Handame, you know, I know of Vroki Jirame, and those things were, and not big Atiswa, Mujiba, your own cow, your Pero Wincharo, your sponsor owner, why ye in Combo. And the second topic, they discuss, you know, the relationship, I know the unity between the DJs and the artists. Yes, the relationship between the DJs and artists. That's what we discussed the last time. And today we are here to look at the relationship between organizers and the artists. Yes, or the artist management. Yeah, that's what we're gonna look up today. Yeah, ton of you nanya never the page ya manya of one chew aro nanya na kuje video the parumo yo the page ya manya of one jemo yo but still I'm watching ya to na voter entertainment industry na ijina mia. That's the main reason why ba magava mia boto ba magava mia boto quickly imagine go, you know, I have one or two things to say. The reason why voter entertainment industry I mean imagine, you know, then you are discussing, and then you should work on that particular thing. And in fact, voter artistry, Tamasubaha, Numita in UK. You see, this kind of UK, America, a blow, you know, last week, you know, a blow, in fact, a whole social media, Okonka everywhere. The unity, the cow well to me, but a better well to me, Okonka the whole, you know, social media because of no hello to me ya omolata na omo afamaji chukojima a sponsor ukata wo ya afamaji a fa program with the edu at the blue. You see this program wo le UK you will not see anybody ma mark pogo glotary ma ya small artist and ma na machichio we have amachichio laba nka lekogbloni sakode ukata idoma afamaji. Yes, what if upcoming so get the own way of magic? You will never see any discrimination. But what about a mea metio? I don't know much how Pomota Imumuya Yogo because Lono play unity and low do mita, you know, it lead them into that particular area. Talaka time now a whole organization so I do mayu no organize our event mayu no event sponsor more. What a committee of Roki, you know, just to to push a word together. In Kefia Miao, Paola Fiaja, you meet UK, afa with that program. And you meet America, afa with any program, I reckon you. I don't even without that standpoint, there are a lot of places get ready. Even what your host show na me ba inka mia wala. Afimachi, but because of organization, I don't unity melania to muta with the Australian Mukatanchi. UK globala and America globala. If in Ghana, Fiji, if you have artists, so yeah, artist gown level, voter region, no program warmle. In fact, they have some. If you know me, I'm here. I'm not afraid to mention anyone's name. They have Stoneboy. I want a program girl, Ashama to the world. That's Stoneboy. One number. If you host that program, we remember Ashama to the world. You better host any program or go voter to the world. Atagram na nama. You have a Stoneboy, Shatawale, you have your paracho voter, you have a Shakboy na glom, your paracho voter, you have host na show, Gere, Taltagram in him, but ya chobody, a show in our program, in our at the high voter. You host a lot of VGMA and a lot of programs and you know, Get Accra and other side as Santi region, but Kagbe. But we have a major artist Gaga Gaucho voter region. But Kagbe, here, Chubari, in a program host girl voter region, or Shikabana voter region now football. You will not see them because if you many will crumple over photo, but if you organize, vet organize, so let me have a do the cow wamalo do you, plus selfishness, you know, selfish interest, but Shaka Biaga, never go to Kuma, I can never go to Kumari, young Makata Kosu. You see, I know a lot of vet organizers who voter region. Yes. You see, the main problem facing voter music industry, invent organizers are a marriageable or performer, or co-artist, a chuhu. Then you know, Chokata, the OG artist, about artists, I would go Chokata like this and Echibe waji artist choketa na artist ma never will invent na you because they don't even think about it. That particular artist but I do stand for the whole our community. So you see, a German nature, none of my hypocrisy, a German nature, the cow woman do me, none of the drama, a Diamotoba, many German nature, they are not ready to promote you to get to the top. None nature, a German nature, a nature, fear to or value. They're going to value you, to spend on you to make sure that you perform very marvelously the way they want it at that place. But if you're from other region or other side of the region, they are not going to involve you into any activities ongoing in that particular side of the region. What's the cause of all this? Because of the unity the cow you see. And then we have a lot of event organizers who cattle do machia, but they don't want to, promote Nanakare. Na young Conava Gotaulo, by Okatawo Chak Trashkabadi, Marana you Yovanko, by a year wallet, Nayakuka, Nayakota Kutukuma. And a lot of, in fact, almost all of the event organizers of voter now, they don't respect the voter artists. I'm telling you today, a lot of event organizers of voter region, they don't respect voter artists. See, and I went to a festival about Lekuboni, Hubachocho Festival. But Hubachocho Festival, that Hubachocho Festival, okay, I bear them. I wrote Adam now, Adam. You're in charge of that particular festival. So Adam invited a lot of artists from even Munye Botowa, Adam, Charlie, big up. Adam invited a lot of these people into the region. I mean, Angloga. By that particular show, who's surely Yede, Apia Mochua, Smajo who's surely ma, Januko, Smajo who's surely ma. And that program of Magia, with different artists, a lot of different artists will to that particular shot, and I witnessed that particular program that very day. In fact, organizers were they don't respect voter artists. Nanakamu. My Lekogroni, this particular show, I got him to Kente Festival. The same thing, they don't respect artists, more regard now like Enanekamu. I mean, absolutely nothing. You see, more artists who burn Anakamu. Who forget about it, that particular artist worry. Then you invite artists, more artists or Nagare, and will share. Now you laugh, Majo, by organizers who more respect an artist who. I'll hardly bury Nanya will program over a lady, Nasa advert berry, and they will be there shout me today. You're gonna do a beauty pageant worker, but you never hear them berry. Artist Salavago, or let's DJ Jobbery, artist came on her. What if you mention that? If some of that is organizers, they don't even know their name, but want to sacrifice of Ruki. You see, the artists in the voter region now, they sacrifice themselves to partake in activities in the voter region. I mean, like something like festivals and those things are they really wanted to partake it because artist management or event organizers were they didn't invite them. I'm telling you, they didn't invite them. But I want to somebody okay fine. Then you invite more. They don't do any that program here. No, they encourage never perform. Which kind of useless organization? Yeah, la voter of magic. Those kind of event organizers were in Katab to Suka Pumola. You must never artist a teacher are promoting manner you by what they need is only their money. No book of Yarakwa, of a Sukata to belong with a charity. I got you to take a festival. I observe a lot of things. Yes, I observe a lot. I mean, a lot of things. Could you imagine if that very day, I got you to work in the festival, work a car, any celebrity like a musician, actress, or actor, or every individual celebrity who call it TVG, who got to chop a chamalo by the capping hammer vow. When you move out, they didn't invite them. At least, no fucker carry or kumura, a coffee package, no a gina joke, but they never do anything like that. Nanaka may gin and amount. still I stand for I still respect the organization that would even though who misbehaving, but auto a caramel since I bear them, Aro Adam, that's in charge of that particular entertainment industry. Adam, Charlie respect once again. Like it me acho, I respect me to me have artist so, me I respect me to me have amo, shikabare, ni a walk me alaro invent Nigeria for Tarajina, what them gonna mean. They would never do that. I mean, mura kawomu, uvakutu motoko jimola. But Agbelazan, yes. Agbelazan, that was the place I met Chief One. Yes. As for Agbelazan, that one there, in fact, in fact, they have done a lot of things. The same processor, Aguachima Agbelazan, Kawa, Agbelazan Rupa, Okata Kakonya. You see, in Kai, in Kinyajo, Namyacho. I invite never IT so I involve them into our activities so never activities so now you go banamio. Tell me. Nkatai, me involve into our businesses, our programs, so activities, so no way go banamio. Never. Because of our selfish interest, full of selfishness. That number two Diamwa, it may invite go, number two Anako, number two Achavio, number two Kata Abadrafo, Arota Yabadrafo, number two Big Puta, number two Amajopo, number two Tirigino, number two Fika, number two Dabalau, number two Pekiu, number two Coquel, or it may invite either Nafa to partake any program now. Because Aplauto, Naga Plauto, woman. Wajiba aplauto ko no chuno na wa ejina yo. Nanya katato ngoma, katato jibo yo chun na that's Ango district chuno no ko no wo o ejina yo. Nanya na ro in fact in kato to jinyele, yimita ko no ma no keke. Ako build fotare jina no chuna mi. You see last time kumeri kato over program ngoma, wale be jealous me na vanku kata dugo he. Yo poka ho. Yo poka hori bare. Ofi na shina kemare kata susu totro efa tamanami lonlo nava the kawo wanava nene na ko blogger you respect the blogger na ko radio presenter you respect the radio presenter na ko TV show host the same presenter you give that maximum respect to that particular person. If you see artist that upcoming artist or lamline artist you give that particular person that maximum respect. Then you na ko make na perform just na kume na perform support keke or fans keke or van of maja only do monetary. If you see that particular person you have to give that particular person the maximum respect that particular person deserves. But ya only you then you agbashi puhara akanya o community anacho arodu afama nacho akanya agbashi ko convene kwa e work boy jibe. So you not respect anybody, you not regard anybody. O mmanya na no bobam mmanya hey then you vote artist are phone o kan na phone na sari fuma na in fact for pogele labo over mema. See why what can event organize so I think but this is a time very be community very big akrobe in me chu nyava duma me chu tagi me chu agbadrafo taro me chu pando me chu kokwe me chu peki. So because of that number two over do mota imu pegere mu I think we never carry that is one thing no wa ijipo. See, the event organizers they're also not helping the artists. Event organizers they are not helping the artists. I know some event organizers they will invite the artists to the virtual region when the programs are ongoing by that particular artist. If you come accommodation, they will never ever think of that accommodation for that particular person. If you feed in what a particular person will eat, they will never think of it. If it's their security, yes, I mean. I witnessed a lot of festivals in the Volta region, and I witnessed a lot of programs at the Volta region. If you come with security crap, they will not think of it, but you're providing security for this particular person. So in Katutu or Magic, but only thing what does that you guys need to have a pocket? You get the money in a pocket. That's the only thing you are thinking of. Or the name, I will host program yellow. This particular person host program yellow. So are you telling me, buddy? You host the program and the program perform very well. You won't call you, so you will not protect your artist. And the next coming year, next coming month, next coming week, next coming event, you use them anymore. Shame on you guys. I knew one of the guy had level target. You know, a call. In fact, Jubilee FM. Me, I'll mention the station name, but that particular person, I will not mention the person's name. It's funny, funny to me. Nowadays there are a lot of activities ongoing in the Volta region. This kind of beach activities, but we're beaching more. Yes, he did marvelously well through a lot of organization. IUG here must send that particular person a message. I send particular person a message, and I congratulate the person. More congratulate it, and if he, may encourage him more, but you should do more because he in fact, I perform marvelously for Volta region, and I think the for that particular organization or I just wish my man mentioned the program name, but let me skip that one for now. And I praise that particular person, in fact, my cafe to my bring a coach who bet but hello to host that particular program. I'm telling you, buddy, that particular person. Common mind, and I even went ahead and told the person, buddy, we are having online TV. That particular online, we are going to use that our platform to promote the program, to promote it. As I'm talking to you now, then that particular person, when the message I reply, you may go where I reply that particular message, he never replied. That very day, in fact, 3 days to the program, I posted more than 6 to 7 things. I didn't write anything myself for Imam Nunanakan show. No, Imam Nunanakan show. By just my winner Jinajeta or Niang or Nia Post Gola. I would share or post via but copy just to copy it to Imam wanna edit more than come on copy, come on post it. I posted a lot of things. Your number Sology, John Dumelo to Wakatova number Sology. For that 3 days, I used my page to promote that particular guy. And that guy, his time will come. I did that, promote this particular man. It's not a guy, a man. I promote that man. Final day, you see the day to the program. And I was there now, or post Nana picture, just a picture, and then he wrote something about that particular picture. And I picked that particular picture. In fact, I copy everything, the written and everything. And the program name on it, programmer, your name, allergy, location, everything that particular person wrote concerning your program, all this are on it. And I posted everything on my page. And some lady came to my page and commented, in case of it may credit, may programmer host more. And I asked the person, what? I started posting this particular your artworks and everything since almost 3 days ago, and young college, and moreover, what I just posted right now, your program, activity, or one of original program, have a title, the strategy, and you are expecting me still to go ahead and post that particular name. I'm a mavon. I should go ahead and post the person's name with a different caption again. No, I don't want to do anything. And as I'm talking to you now, that particular thing, I'm having number, not even my number. The location where the program will be okay, and those things all, and with the share allergy, and I've copied everything. I posted everything that very day. When I answered this particular lady, the male artist, the organizer, my program organizer, he came back to reply me, buddy, and Miawe, because of Miawa, he never voted because he have every right, he have everything, and you post something, ye Miawa, Aronia, ma promoting one eye, ye never, you just come shout out to Aronia, by I forget, buddy, ye told program, our activity, or by our young call of Magio, and I swear that particular guy, level of Magia, many people like this. Jubilee FM. Yeah, I mentioned the station name. Jubilee FM. If people like this, right, will still handle voter region, but yeah, now voter, organizer, so play artist, so no, you got body. May you get she a cho, people like this are artists, so they have to damn these particular people. They don't even to go to their programs again because they don't have any good mentality for voter region. Yes, I met a lot of people who even came out complaining about that particular man. I know a lot of organizers, a lot of musicians. I discussed with them concerning what the man did the last time. They sent me a lot about that man and whatever the man, doing on that, capable doing on that particular region. I mean, the Volta region as well. Yes. That man attacked me that very day. And it's my intellectual properties. So you can't just pick my pictures or you can't just take my everything, just post it like that. So by I forget Barry, when I was posting John Dumelo and a lot of artists who are hyping the program, and when I started posting a lot of your artwork and those things for all 3 solid times, I mean 3 solid days, he never think of this, Barry. If you come more credit, I don't know, Charlie, thank you very much. He never said it even to tag my post and say something, and he never said it. But when I post that particular thing, and then the lady came out, some lady be, yeah, that's who they are. Some lady be, hey, lady about tag that particular thing, a comment and that particular, commenter. He came out, meaning, but whatever I post, this man witnessed everything. A corner shot the naked eye, but he never commented about it. He never tagged me to even to thank me because if I never asked you 10 pesos or 1 cedi simple. So I think, but this is the time we get right now. I think, but voter must work. I think hashtag voter must work. I think, but this is the time we have to wake up, okay? And we need a lot of organizers on board. Let's come together and promote voter and eat voter and chop voter. No voter entertainment industry. No way. You know what I mean? Without that, there's nothing we can do. We have a lot of artists in the voter region who are, selling the voter region, voter region imagine. But I think, well, they have to come down. You don't know about and we have a lot of event organizers. So, the next week, I don't know about it. I have some, event organizers. They have a lot of artists, voter music award, edit promotion. Oh, Charlie, you guys are doing very great. Edit promotion, you guys are doing very great for voter region. They have a lot of awards skin that right now are performing the voter region, and I think we have to get time and come and congratulate them. They are doing marvelously well. They are doing marvelously well. So we need the unity right now. Don't take body. Macho keta, macho jaunkopo, macho kwejel, macho pekio, macho anakori. You cannot invite me. Let's come together and promote a voter music. Na voter music area. I voter entertainment industry. Wa yingwanami abale kumeri kato woman. The way you gonna me. So, I just make the pair, no matter worry, Magafaka Nyabwaka with a different topic a day. So today, a new future, that's organizers, invent organizers, play artists, and there's a time where the invent organizers who are, they should give the respect, I mean, maximum respect to the artists, no respect, and then they should bring the unity among them. No voter, no wonka, no why, you know what I mean? So, you have artists like Jaffinger, um Prince, what's the name? Noah Prince, wrestler, um Andy Boy, yes, Andy Boy, Charlie, you are doing marvelously well. You have Andy Boy, we have a lot of artists, I don't know their name, I know, but they are doing a lot. Yeah, we have Emilia, Empress Emilia, Mama Vota, Shata Mama, JJ Gonami, Kanozi, these people all, Charlie. Yeah, Baja, Mauna Katambalari, Yoko Vota Regimen, Pushman, and Agbeshi, yes, Agbeshi. Yeah, Agbe, you are doing hey, my man, Chief One, yeah, Chief One. Charlie, you are watching, you just got keep on, let the fire burning, right, and push the voter region into, that limelight. I think where you guys are doing marvelously well. So still now, we keep on begging the investors, but they should come and promote the voter region for us. Yeah, and I think where voter have a long way to go. Yes, voter have a long way to go. Yeah. So Charlie, we are going to pay. No worry, I'll come out again. Come and talk about the main reason why or the reason behind the reason voter music industry is not moving well. But don't forget, very we have a lot of issue concerning voter regional. There's no new Obama logo. Today, normally entertainment industry, don't forget maybe Peter Parker who I will be. No, I will surely divert it into that angle. But primary voter regional, kaja will be no more will be I don't know kuri, then the shara, miako, miako, yeah, magafon, if you don't like my page, I just go straight and like my page. My page, I go Dem TV, and Dem TV, I'm away DEM, Imako TV, because I don't where all my things are there. YouTube, Instagram, I'm gonna shout out, if you type oh come, just subscribe it, and we have a lot to discuss, and let's grow voter, let's the voter go on. Thank you very much, but I'm not only playing makumo jada ko na nyo to reka mama mebo ma wono ire mi kata I wono no you know me e ka kutu ka kan yeah Mata matu bono ka kan sia Charlie, you guys are doing marvelously well, and I love the feeling. I love the support. Yeah.